Here I have HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 2022, and today I'm going to show you how to enable audio control in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then tap on the gear icon, and here you have audio control. So you can see keyword like cheese to take photo, or you can just raise your voice to take photo. So let's set cheese and try to make a photo. Cheese. Cheese. I don't know, maybe there's something with my pronunciation. Cheese. Oh, okay. Let's try once again. Cheese. Cheese. Okay, you have to say like the short cheese, not the long cheese, but cheese, short cheese. You see it reacts only on short cheese, but when you like say long cheese, it absolutely ignores you. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.